as a professional welding robot solution provider. IIMT welding robots are suitable for a variety of industrial scenarios, and can help you easily complete welding work. In the past, work that required multiple people can now be completed by only a few people. It requires no programming, and no manual precise positioning. The fully automated loading and unloading platform is adopted by IIMT welding robot. Whether it is a positioning bar or a steel frame, through the effective combination of a series of production line complete sets of equipment, welding manipulators and welding robots. The steel frame production process that originally required dozens of people to complete now only needs a few people.